Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kisi-kisi materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa Electronic Teleconference 29 Januari tahun 2033 Masehi. Mission of materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of our time with Electronic Teleconference of MAN January of 29th of year 2033 ANNO DOMINI. Arahan Pendiri dan Ketua Umum Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya. The direction from the founder and the General Chairman of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. Agussalim ST bin Abdur Rahim Nasution. Materi-materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa Electronic Teleconference di kantor Pusat Global Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya. Materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of all time with electric teleconference in the global head office of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. Sabtu 29 Januari tahun 2033, materi kuliah umum e-teleconference. Eksistensi Sekretaris Biro Tanggap Darurat Gempa Divisi Tanggap Darurat Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasi taktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal yang terdapat dalam jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa. Nomor 276 bulan Desember tahun 2032, Saturday 29th of January 2033, Public Lecture Material e-Teleconference, Existence of the Secretary of the Bureau of Emergency Response of Earthquake, the Division of Emergency Response of the Neighborhood Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. On what wide concern and tactics in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained in the Monday Journal of Precision Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time. Number 276 of Monday December 2032. Sekretaris Biro Tanggap Darurat Gempa Divisi Tanggap Darurat Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya untuk merekomendasikan kepada jurusan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, jurusan Hukum, Administrasi Negara, jurusan Hukum Masyarakat dan Pembangunan, jurusan Hukum Bisnis, jurusan Hukum Ekonomi, jurusan Hukum Perdagangan Internasional, dan jurusan Hukum Keuangan Negara, Fakultas Hukum, jurusan Pendidikan Teknik dan Kejuruan, jurusan Pendidikan Ekonomi dan jurusan Pendidikan Teknik Bangunan, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Manajemen dan Kebijakan Publik, Ilmu Administrasi Negara dan Ilmu Administrasi Publik, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik, Muamalah, Hukum Bisnis Islam, Keuangan Islam dan Hukum Ekonomi Syariah, Fakultas Syariah, jurusan Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, jurusan Ekonomi dan Studi Pembangunan dan jurusan Ekonomi Sumber Daya dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan dan Kebijakan Publik, dan jurusan Bisnis Islam. Fakultas Ekonomi di Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering. Business Administration Program, Agussalim Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota, Sekolah Arsitektur Perencanaan dan Pengembangan Kebijakan, dan jurusan Manajemen dan jurusan Kewirausahaan, Sekolah Bisnis dan Manajemen, Universitas Mandailing, untuk memutakhirkan dengan memahami Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat. Untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu lampiran 3 Surat Edaran Menteri Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu the Secretary of the Bureau of Emergency Response of Earthquake, the Division of Emergency Response of the Neighborhood Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, to recommend to the Department of Civil Engineering, the Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Department of State Administrative Law, the Department of Law of Public and Development, the Department of Business Law, the Department of Economic Law, the Department of International Trade Law, and the Department of State Financial Law. The Faculty of Law, the Department of Engineering and Vocational Education, the Department of Economics Education, and the Department of Building Engineering Education. The Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, Management and Public Policy, State Administration Science and Public Administration Science, the Faculty of Social Sciences and Political Sciences, Muamalah, Islamic Business Law, Islamic Financial and Sharia Economic Law, the Faculty of Sharia, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. The Faculty of Agricultural Technology, the Department of Economics and Development Studies, and the Department of Research and Environmental Economics, the Faculty of Economics and Management, the Department of Planning and Public Policy, and the Department of Islamic Business, the Faculty of Economics, the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program, Agussalim Management. The Department of Regional and City Planning, the School of Architecture Planning and Policy Development, and the Department of Management, and the Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Business and Management of Mandailing University, to update by understanding the circular letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely is Annex 3 of the circular letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely Bab 6. Bentuk dokumen penawaran. Chapter 6. Form of offer documents. Data personel manajerial, managerial personnel data. Contoh, example. Nomor, nama, name, tingkat pendidikan, ijazah, education level, diploma, jabatan dalam pekerjaan yang akan dilaksanakan, position in the work. Data personel manajerial, managerial personnel data. Contoh, example. Nomor, nama, name, tingkat pendidikan, ijazah, education level, diploma, jabatan dalam pekerjaan yang akan dilaksanakan, position in the work, to be carried out, pengalaman kerja profesional, tahun, professional work. Experience, years, sertifikat kompetensi kerja, work competence certificate. 1 blank, 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 2 blank, 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 dan seterusnya, etc. Blank, 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 blank. Sumber-sumber, sources, Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan, jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, lampiran 3. Circular Letter Number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of the selection document standard for procurement of construction services in the context of yearly auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, Annex 3, Google Translate. Mandailing Natal, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia, 1 Januari tahun 2033 Masehi, 1st of January 2033, ANNO DOMINI. Thank you very much.